You know, it soon fix you now. So tell me something now. You have any older people in your family, your mother and father, everybody not gone yet?
Man, the whole of my father dead, my mother mother 94-year-old. My mother live America. My sister them live America.
So
my family live America.
your wife parents them still about?
No, your mother dead. My wife, mother and father dead.
She not no old somebody in her family or old auntie or anybody?
No, sir. Few young people live there now.
I be young people leave, and you say you just reach 63.
Yeah.
So in another 12 years,
you know the problem.
Hold
on, Project.
Yeah.
You know,
Hold
you
on,
know
the Horatio. Marcia wanted to say something. Hold on. And then I wanted to say something after.
Yes.
Talk, Marcia.
Good morning, everyone. Jaja, good morning. Yesterday,
good morning, Marcia.
Yesterday you were on Chuck Live with your daughter.
Yeah.
And I admire you, or you grow her. She's well mannered, manageable. Yeah.
Yes.
But I have my son beside me, and my son just want to give your daughter a little encouragement. He's just 19.
Okay.
He left school, he went to Heart. He just want to give your daughter. Is she listening?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yes, Master.
Well, she's gonna talk. His name is Josh.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Let you talk. I'm going to run. Miss Master, I'm going to put in something in the pot. I'm going to get late for go up on the road.
Yeah, in go talk.
Hold on. Jaja.
Yeah.
One thing I need to say to you before you leave. You see, bloggers or vloggers, they use the social media to make money, okay? So they will try to convey anything that they know will gravitate to people so they can make money. By you watching these videos, they make money from it, okay?
Somebody that can interrupt.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Here to him YouTube.
So you had mentioned that how Andre gets sued twice and he's still on the YouTube platform. He's on it because he makes money from it. So I'm going to say things where him know I go captivate you and me so you can watch it. So by we watching it, the more views he gets, the more money he makes from YouTube. Okay? So it doesn't mean that he's coming with good information or factual information. He just comes with things that he knows will sell so his pocket can get fat. All right?
Okay. Yeah.
My son is gonna talk.
Yeah, when me that say, I'll put something, I'll come back still, but I'll put something in the iPad and come back.
Yeah. What she's doing? All right, go ahead, Josh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
All right, Renee.
Josh.
And we leave school, what? 2022?
Yes.
And from left school, I tell you, like this government has been doing a lot. And from left school, me go art straight. Even though sometimes I get frustrated with some of my teachers, some classmates and things, same way, I still follow through. I'm there, I get my surfing ticket and thing. I tell you, it's really good. So if you got art, do it, try to get a surfing ticket. Right now, I'm in a job. I'm a chef, and I do my thing. I'm grateful. Do my thing. Don't make nobody discourage you and try bring it down and tell you say art take long, which it do. Yes, it does take long, but trust me, so you follow through, you go pay off. When I say you go in an interview, you ask your money supposed to write. Yeah. And next thing, earlier me here not talk about PNP and thing. All the way I'm trouble mommy say me not go vote, which I go vote. Labour I go vote for. Calm down. Yeah. What I say is, if PNP if you win, right now, to me see, I artists them go around the country. Because what do you see the post chronic how much man and thing. I talk about one rifle they need and something. I don't really want to see country going in that direction. I tell you the truth. Because I don't know where that they go. Really and truly don't know where that they go. So, all I can say, listen to what them say and see where they pick out type and choose the right party. Enjoy the day.
Yourself.
Thank you, Josh.
Well
Thank you,
said, well
Josh.
said. Renee,
Yes.
are you there?
Yes, miss.
Did you hear him?
Yes, miss.
So you know that is one of your peers. He's not me, old foot. One of your peers. He is a similar age group like you. Eh?
Yes, miss.
You have a response for Josh? Reply to Josh?
Yeah, thank him for the encouragement.
You're welcome.
Renee,
Yes, sir.
you're a star here. You're a star.
Trust me.
And let me tell you something.
Hey, you're manageable. Me not telling you, you're manageable, man.
You are a star.
Manageable.
And you're going to reach far. Yeah. And when you reason your father, make your father know, say, Daddy, in the past, you support this thing. Make your daddy know, say, a JLP support. Say, Daddy know, say, a JLP support. Because guess what? Me think you have a vision of where you want your life to go, even though you're a little bit shy and you don't really chat too much. But tell me something, Renee. The time you spent on here with us today, did you learn anything at all?
Yeah, we learn nothing listen essay and
For do your own research.
get the facts and
Okay. And did you learn that what they're taught?
Renee, the sky is a limit. Let nobody discourage you. The sky is a limit. You can do a lot. Trust me, girl. A matter of fact, let me tell you the honest truth.
Renee, may I follow you?
The Excel.
Girl, follow you.
Excel. Nobody discourage you. The sky is
Renee, you know, may I follow Renee? Guys, don't follow Renee.
Now go follow her. She have manners. She listen. She just, you know, and she calm. I respect that.
Renee, you are
part 4 labor right.
Let me say this too. Renee, if you have any questions at all, once you see our live going on, you can join in and you can come in the box. If you want in the factual information, so as for you to be able to inform even your peers as to what is happening. Because I know that you have certain ideologies and they might have similar ideologies, but you can even invite them to join our lives and we can debunk certain information, shed light, share the truth, share the facts, and even open you to the different opportunities available, because there are a lot of opportunities that this administration has created even for young people. You can ask your father this question: at what age did he own his first house? And you can make a comparison now with young persons like yourself who are able to own their own houses at this tender age, 20, 21, and own their own vehicle, right? So anything at all, we welcome you to join in, ask the question, and we can give you the factual information that you need.
There's a question for Renee I want to ask. The question was posted in the comment section. One broker would like to know, what do you plan to do with your life? Like, what are your goals? What do you want to do career-wise? What you dream of?
Okay, so I want to be an entrepreneur, but I'm willing to get a job so I can pursue that, get some money, go in a partner, and start a business.
Renee, you know, say you need to go art for true.
I think art is the best place to go.
Art, you need to go to art, Renee, because art has entrepreneurial studies. And I will tell you this, as someone who has tried my hand in multiple businesses, it's not as simple as it look. It takes skill. And in today's business world,
there is so much to do with technology that can improve and maximize your business. So don't just think what you want. You see, in the partner, good way to save up your money. But go on art. Government has send you to school. Go and go do the entrepreneur skills. Get the certificates in the field where you like for go. I don't know in which field, but go on art here. Anyway, oration of the box.
Oh, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So, me never did I listen discussion long enough, but really, I must say to you that you are, I might not be as young as you are, but I am a young man, and I grew up in in the last part of PJ Patterson era, where I grew up to see my mother and my grandmother, them have it real hard. I must tell you, real hard, because of the bad decision that the government made at that time. That's the reason why they made have it real hard. And I must say to you that I myself benefit from the government also, um, in many different ways. So, but listen to you, and you sound like somebody who, as well, the minister said yesterday, um, people with ambition. You sound like somebody who have ambition and want something out of life. So I will suggest that you go to Heart. I think Heart is the best start, because maybe you don't have the money to do what you want to do, and Heart have so much program that even when you finish and get certified, they give you a lump sum of money to start whatever business you require. Um, so as me say, Renee, it starting a business as where I don't remember who said just now, is not the 1, 2, 3. Technology make business far more accessible and all of that, but it depends on what kind of business you want to start. So first thing, you're gonna want the required skill, you're gonna want the information and all of that. So my best thing to tell you this: find yourself the nearest art, do what you have to do, and start from there, and then you see where it lead you to. But don't let nobody tell me. I was listening to your father about what them say about this and that, and what them say about the prime minister. That is not true. And what me I try to say is, yeah, I sure you have a smartphone, or we have a laptop, or we have a tablet or something, and anything anybody say about anybody that is not factual, I can tell, especially people in high offices. You can go on your phone, you can Google it, you can get the factual information from it. So don't be like those people and those platforms who are view, because as I remember somebody from the panel say a while ago, these people make money off us. Every time we view them page, them get a sniping off of something, because they might get enough views or stuff like that. So they may say them just put out anything in the field, say yo. Because in Jamaica, Renee, I I not what me think. Me think not I wouldn't say what I think. And this is a reality. False narrative sell the fastest and the most, because Jamaican people like to, yeah, in the ear, so that one they do this or do that. And when you do your checks, it is not so. So when you hear anybody say anything about anybody, whether it's PMP or whether it's JLP, say if you're watching a JLP platform and you hear them say, well, Mark go and do this, I want you to go and do your checks, find out if it is true. And the next way around, if you hear somebody say anything about a JLP member, or about or the prime minister or whatever. So in all, you're so, as I say, I listen to you, and you want, you're hungry for life. You're hungry for life, I should say. You want to be where your mother might never be, or where your father might never be. And I can tell you that it might not be what we want out there, but a start is there. At least a start is there. I think as Jamaican, we just want a start, and then we can do the rest. always we think Jamaican that we just want to start, and then we can, especially when you come from a family where you know, say, yo, it's a family, it's a hustling family, or a go-getter family, or you know. So as me say, when you just go there, do what you have to do, go and find the information, as you say. The information is there. If you're going to a private school, if you're going to a public school, you ask what is my next step to after I leave here, what is my next step to do this or all of that. So as I say, Renee, just do what you have to do and make the right decision when the right time come, okay?
Sir.
All right, Orisa.
You might hear me back and forth with your daddy, but let me tell you what is happening. Yeah. So we tribalistic people like me and your father, because your father is a tribal PNP, a tribal labor right. We teeth and tongue are gonna meet. But at the end of the day, we are Jamaicans, right? And me myself, we are Jamaicans, right? And me myself, get your facts. I think persons, because he's older than me, right? About persons in his group should know better. You'll see know that them nothing. But I guess him, you know, him stuck in them ways, him come from another generation.
But I must say no. These
Yes,
are
I have to commend ratio. I have to commend your father for at least, because you have some comrade more than done with him long time. He won't come in at the box. Because the behavior when I display, it would be too bad. It would have other for at least, because you have some comrade more than done. He's also at an age now too, and I think it's because of you. He is looking now on what life has to offer you, and not necessarily himself.
Because Max girl.
Because he admitted that he has never benefited directly from the politics. So I believe your father is mellowing down now because he's looking for your future. So as I think Protecting JA said earlier, and Casco, don't be scared to challenge him and your daddy, but you challenge him respectfully, and I have to do it like here. But when you hear something, she gone panty time. Maybe she's still here, but she gone to the next app. But if anybody else who are even listening, young person who is listening, if your parent allow you to have engage in a political conversation with them, you can respectfully say, Daddy, I don't agree because here is the facts. You understand? So Renee, I have to say, commend your father, because at least he is not as hostile. I know PNP parents who put out them children once them show an interest in the opposite party. So big respect for your father. And I watch me and him back and forth. I saw me turn and I saw him turn.
Guys, somebody give me a call. Them say them in the comments. Them a listen. And them hear about stocks. They want to buy some stocks, so they need some information.
Oh, persons are asking about how to get the stocks. It's coming on board soon. Protecting JA, you want to give the information, what is required and what is needed. Is a few things. Protecting JA, are you still there?
Me no really know what's required and what's needed, but the basic information.
Me go tell you. Peter, jump on it.
Yeah, somebody bring it up and discuss it.
March 4. All right, so guys, in essence, if you have some money that is there dwindling, knowing that the bank doesn't give you any much on it to say make it grow, you can take that money, go to one of the capital market companies, such as you have NCB, you have VMBS, you have Barita, Mayberry, you have quite a number of them, but whichever one you are interested in, you can make your way to your bank, speak to an investment officer,
a broker,
or a broker, and they'll recommend whichever broker rather, and you can let them know that you have X amount of money. Yes,
David
ma'am.
Watt said JMMB.
So I want to explain that I want to help you to add to this, right? In order to open a brokerage account, you will need your identification. That means, can we think of that as the question, right, Plank?
No,
if you have an account with the bank already, you won't need anything else.
Yeah, but I think the person don't have one based on what Plank say.
Right. The person
so for the benefit of somebody who don't have a one, they will need their identification, a valid one, passport, ID, driver's license, voter's ID, as long as it's valid. You will need your TRN, proof of address, proof of income. That is needed to open the account. All right. Continue, Casco.
So yes, with whatever money you have now, they will work out the amount of shares you're able to purchase. And from there, you just leave it. They will take the process further, buy the shares for you, and you can watch it as the days go by and see how it grows and how your money turnover. I had initially bought the shares when it just came on the market in, is it 2020 or 2021? And at that time, I think we bought it for $1.44. And now we can buy it at $3.60. So what that means is that my money would have doubled over the time. So just imagine if I'm ready to sell, if I had put $50,000 in it, I can go and get back $100,000. So it shows you that your money will actually grow. Your money can be used for the future to maybe even buy a vehicle, maybe cover a health bill that you have, whatever the case is. But the fact is this, you don't want your money to be sitting and not growing. And this Trans Highway shares is one of the ideal stock you can invest in because you actually see growth in it. Okay?
All right, thank you, Casco. Guys, gonna just give Rennie some more gift. Make sure reach 500 now. Yeah, makes you feel good. Young and vibrant.
Morning, labor rights.
Morning. Good girl. Yeah, man, no makes you go up around 500. You know, give her some gift there. Not me, you know, Rennie, the young lady.
You know, I like what?
I don't have no gift.
Don't worry about it. Who don't know for? You just give her some gift. Makes you feel good. Young labor right.
You know, Plank, what I lie about all these bloggers for that represent the
Big up
Jamaican labor.
yourself, kids. See you get one honor there, Rennie. I put you in the big box, make you get some more gift, baby. Yeah.
Yeah. So I was gonna say,
you know give the young labor right some gift them people.
Renee, account never ring, so mighty God. Renee, you put up a picture, you know, it's a nice bright young lady. Put up a picture, please.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Listen, the orange a blind way.
All right, Rennie. Like every other labor right, me just come to welcome you to the fold. May I follow the discussion for quite a bit, you know. May I try my best to get a question to your father. I don't know if I would go too far back, but I heard you when Protecting just asked you questions. You said you would like to see more opportunities for young people. And I wanted to ask you, what does an opportunity look like to you? What would you consider yourself getting if or having to say that you got an opportunity?
Okay, may I catch it, man. Me the right yourself, me the home. So me can play the news when at 12 o'clock. Rennie, Nats girl, I talk to you, Rennie.
Yeah.
Renee, describe to me what an opportunity looks like in your eyes.
Opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
Opportunity You want the definition?
Yeah, but I want to know.
No. She wants in your own words. Like, what
I
do
want to
you
know what it
consider an
looks like to
opportunity?
you. What would happen to make you say you got an opportunity? All right, let me ask again. What would you
in a
like?
simpler way.
What would you like an opportunity to do?
Make money.
Good. All I women love to say. When you find you show me there. But I heard you two say your goal is to be an entrepreneur. Forgive me for being dunce, but what is an entrepreneur? What does it look like to you?
Entrepreneur is a person with their own business, their own source of income.
Okay. All right. What kind of vehicle you believe is best suited to get you from where you are now to your ultimate goal?
Vehicle?
What kind of vehicle? Vehicle may not be, because when I said vehicle, you thought about a car and a bus and a truck, right? I'm thinking about what.
Which
I
way?
think we can help us. I think we can help Max girl straight the question she want to ask.
What no?
Me feel like you want to ask her when that in our present situation now, we should have like the government to do for her.
May I tell you why me got a route there? Because people believe.
Like our phone ring.
Believe opportunities only come from government.
Yes.
So come again.
All right. So Renee, may I tell you what I expected the answer to be? Vehicle. As a young person now, what level of education are you? Renee?
Education.
What level? Did you finish high school?
Yes, miss.
All right.